Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a dolphin jumping out of the water. So you can see that I'm using my black marker pen to draw a dolphin jumping out of the water. I'm starting with its head and mouth. Its mouth is opened. These are its wings. Now let's draw its tail. Okay, now let's draw its eyes. To draw its eye, I will be using my thin black pen. Here's its teeth and tongue. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my gray crayon. Now I will be using a light gray colored crayon. For the rest, I'm using my pencil. And I'm using red inside its mouth. I'm using my pencil again. And now I'm using cyan colored pencil to draw the water. Wow, it's looking really nice. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.